I got the futures.
Hi guys, I'm Unique Kalki, and today I'm going to show you how to disable Windows 10 updates. So this will be a quick tutorial. So let's get started. So first you have to go to the search bar and search for gpedit.msc, and here you go, click it, and you can get a window like this. So in this window, in the left corner, as you can see, there's the administrator template option. So click the drop down list and go to Windows Components, and after you go in that, you can get list like this. So scroll down the list and you can see Windows Update, so go to it, and in here you can see configure automatic updates, so click that and press go. So after clicking it, you can get a window like this. So in this window, make sure you guys disable this option, click OK, and the next one is default upgrade, so click it, and in this one also make sure you guys disable this option, so click OK. So guys, the second step is in the services. So go to search bar and search for local services. So you can get this, so click on that. So in this list, scroll down and search for Windows Update. So you can press this Windows Update, so double click on this, so and you can get a small window like this. So in this window, there's a drop down list here, click the drop down list and click disable and apply, and then click OK. So guys, that's all for today, and I hope you guys learned something new from my video, and if you guys like this video, please leave a like and subscribe my channel.
Louder.